Welcome back, my beautiful people of the internet. Today is going to be a slightly different video. YouTube is pushing out Shorts, and Shorts is the vertical format of the videos you see lately. And YouTube, basically, they're trying to compete with TikTok. And personally, I don't know why, but this is what they're doing. It's not good for the creator, neither is it good for YouTube, because nobody's really earning anything in terms of ad revenue. I'm going with this somewhere here. Hear me out. I'm creating a lot of Shorts when it comes to the Galaxy Watch 4, 5, or 6. That means I am giving you a really brief, short snapshot of what is happening, and I'm putting some valuable information in those shorts. The problem or the challenge I have, or maybe you have, is that you either don't like watching shorts, which I completely understand because it doesn't look that great on a mobile phone, or you just miss it, right? Maybe you don't get a notification. So this video is really designed to inform you that there is a new update out for the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I want to use this comment section, or you can head over to our Discord community to discuss what has been fixed. When we look at the Galaxy Watch 6 and 6 Classic update, there's a lot of stuff that has been fixed in terms of battery issues. People are now reporting that the battery is really back to normal or even better than expected. So this update for the Galaxy Watch 5 and Pro is around 600 megabyte, and it is pretty big. It's the latest December security patch, and I'm pretty sure that Samsung has put a lot of thought into this and fixed a whole bunch of issues. So please let me know if and when you receive this update, either in the comment section or go to our Discord community. One thing before you go, hang on. One thing I'm going to ask you, because I'm trying hard to keep everyone up to date when it comes to the Galaxy Watch 4, 5, or 6. Please like this video. Please share this video. If you find value to what I'm doing, subscribe, and that would be really, really appreciated. Thank you so much and have a beautiful Sunday. Peace out.